All right, here we are at the start of the Boynton Canyon.
Take two.
All right, chop. Okay.
Hi, I'm Richard Barron.
Hi, I'm Scott Anderson, and we're getting ready to go into the Boynton Canyon Trail today here near Sedona, and we're going to go visit the subway cave and anything else that comes along the way, and not get hit by cars while we do it.
It's going to be a great day.
Here we go. Yeah. Don't tell anybody. We have found the Red Rock Mountain secret wilderness.
You said that backwards.
Did I really? Okay.
The Red Rock Mountains, the Red Rock secret cut.
Cut. Take two. Shh. Okay, don't tell anybody. Ancient Chinese secret. We have found the Red Rock Secret Mountain Wilderness in the Coco Nino National Forest.
Coco Nino means hot cocoa.
It does. Okay, I have wanted to do this hike for several years, and I can tell you, in the first mile, there's no disappointment yet. We've seen hot air balloons, cool light, structures, rocks, red, friends, people. We've not seen any lions, tigers, or bears yet. Let's go. I'm not expecting this. Yeah. Almost kind of gives me a slot canyon feel without the other side. It gives me a slot canyon field without the slot.
Maybe he's going up now. Maybe him.
I'm here at what the native Coconinos would call the crying tree. And all you have to do to make it cry is shake the tree. And therefore, you now have the Coconino crying tree. We are approaching the end of Boynton Canyon. Sun coming over the cliff there. Quite beautiful.
Tell him. Tell him.
You don't like it, yeah? Go back down.
You gonna carry me? Thanks.
You got help on the way, Paula. He's gonna help you. He's just gonna guide you.
So I'm getting the distinct feeling that even though we climbed from down there to get up to here, this is not the path to the subway. Okay. Those of you that know me know that I have a horrible fear of heights. And it's being triggered right now for sure. I'm going to show you my view. Look at that. Well, I came across a Philadelphia Phillies fan on the trail. Woo! Yeah. Okay. Thank you. it's definitely a Robinson. That's the one I flew in several times. Look at that, dude. That's amazing. Sorry if I'm blocking your view. Well, it certainly wasn't pretty, but I made it. There it is. Check that out.